Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party with your Android device. You have to start by Open Settings. Now go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth like on iOS. So I need to click on it, then we should turn on the speaker and enter to pairing mode. And we have two options how to enter pairing mode. So firstly we need to turn on it, and at the top of your speaker, at the left side, we have power button. Press and hold the power button until you will see a LED light, meaning that we turn on the speaker. Here we go. And if your speaker is not connected with some device, the speaker enters to pairing mode automatically. And at the back side, we have Bluetooth button here, so if it's blinking white, meaning that we enter to pairing mode. Right now, maybe you are not see it, but it's blinking white. And you see this speaker at the device list. We should have it right here. But if your speaker already connected with some device, to enter pairing mode you need to single press at the Bluetooth button, again at the top. You will hear the prompt and this LED light start blinking white. Here we go. And we just enter to pairing mode manually. After that, you need to tap at your speaker at the device list and click Pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!